What do you want?
Shirley, today is eviction day.
No, it is not.
Put your hands behind your back.
On March 25th, 2021, officers were called to a boarding house after a woman named Shirley refused to leave following a court-ordered eviction. What followed was one of the most patient removal attempts you will ever see on body camera, and one of the most stubborn refusals.
Hello, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm Lori. I'm the bailiff. Trying to do an eviction. We've got somebody who's locked herself in the room, refusing to leave. Wasn't anticipating it, so I didn't run a background check or anything on her. I don't know if she has a caseworker. I don't know anything like that, but she's refusing to leave, so.
Excuse me, officer. Did you request a backup?
I did not. I mean,
She's a big girl, and she's psychotic. So.
did you live here with her?
Yeah, she's right beside my room, and I'm just giving you a heads up. She is a psychotic individual. So you never know what's going to get unexpected because.
What's her name?
Shirley.
Do you have a social or anything?
I don't have any of that. We never do for an eviction. Looks like it's an unusual spelling, though. If that is even correct on this paperwork. She was screaming at me to stop following her, which clearly I'm not following her, but I think she might be confused.
Is this like a multiple
house,
room?
yeah. She's in bedroom 4.
Do you have a date of birth or anything? How tall is she?
She's probably about, I would guess, 5'10" maybe. She's a big girl.
How much she weigh?
Probably 100. I would give or take 190 pounds.
Okay. I just want to see if I could find her. See if she has any warrants or anything. Do you have the eviction? Like the paperwork? Like, did you actually serve her with it?
No, it was posted to the door
Oh.
last Wednesday. This is the actual writ
34
that was granted. No warrants or anything?
I can't find her. Like,
Well, it's just...
the only one that's in here is 5'4", you know, like, I mean, and it's not even the right spelling.
Right. So maybe maybe she doesn't have anything on record.
And like 1967 is the youngest one. The youngest Shirley.
Well,
17 using hand.
maybe as soon as she sees you, she'll change her
Alright,
tune.
so I can't
I can try, but, I mean, you know, I don't know why
Send me the 12.
they didn't have, like, a deputy come out, because, you know, I mean, there's civil matters.
No. So for evictions, it's municipal court, and then if they won't come out for us, we call you guys. There's no sheriff involved because this is non-payment of rent. It's not foreclosure.
Which one? Okay, well, I mean, you don't need to come up. Like, we don't need a bunch of people.
The property manager fills the officer in before they even knock on the door. No warrants found, no caseworker on file. Eviction notice was posted to the door the previous Wednesday. The paperwork is in order. Everything the law requires has been done. Shirley just does not want to hear it.
Shirley, we're back. We've got the officer here.
Hey, Shirley, it's Officer Sapp with the Ag Police Department. How are you? Hey, Shirley. What's the problem? What's the problem? Your money or your car? Shirley. Shirley. Well, I can't do that. Can't do that, Shirley. Shirley, who are you talking to? Is she always like this?
She talks to herself a lot. Makes things on the floor for no reason.
Do you want us to go ahead and unlock the door?
Yeah, I mean,
You want to get back up?
13 to 14. Yeah, so hold on a second. Let me see what unit's not going to that.
Okay.
Alright, I have another one on the way.
Okay. I think she actually wants to be arrested. So she's got someplace to go. She said something along those lines to one of the other tenants.
Huh.
So,
How long's she been here?
At least 6 months.
Shirley! You reported us to who? My man. Shirley, I don't think you did. I can't go without you. I'm just trying to get you out. Shirley, I'm trying to help the bailiff. I am. Hey, Shirley. That's not nice.
31.
Oh yeah. Well, I guess she told one of the other tenants upstairs.
The only time the people call around here when Larry got
how's it going?
Yep.
This one right here. Her name is Shirley.
34.
Shirley! Shirley! Come on, Shirley, it's the police. Just open the door for us, okay? It is. If you open the door, you would see. Open the door, and you'll see 3 of us, actually. Shirley.
Hey, get out.
Nope.
Dude, get out. Come on, man.
Shirley, what are you doing in here?
Get out, dude, get out. Get out.
No, the bailiff's got to talk to you.
No, get out.
Nope.
Please get the out.
Nope. Sorry, Shirley.
You know what? There's nothing I can do. What the do you want? What do you want?
The bailiff's got to talk
What
to
do
you.
you want? What do you want?
Shirley, today is eviction day.
No, it is not. You know what? I want y'all to leave me the alone, okay? I'm not going to tell you again. I want you to leave me the alone. Do you get it? Do you get it? Do you guys get it? I want you to leave me the alone.
Shirley.
The landlord gets to take this room back.
You know what? I want y'all to leave me the alone.
Shirley, what's going on?
I want you to leave me the alone.
Okay. Did you
Don't
know-
worry about what the I'm doing, what the going on with me. Worry about your motherfucking self. Do you get it?
Well, I get paid to worry about
buddy,
other
look,
people.
Look, buddy. Well, you know what? I don't get paid.
Okay.
Y'all not trying to give me no motherfucking money. And you're not going to kick me out again and throw me out on the fucking streets. Do you get it?
Well, the court's
Do you
ruled.
get it?
The court's ruled you have to leave.
You know what? I don't give a what y'all say. Get the out. Dude, do you not understand? I swear to God. Dude, you need to go.
Nope.
You need to fucking go.
Nope.
This has to happen.
You need to fucking go. You know what? If I paid them or not, or whatever the fuck, it doesn't fucking matter. You're not gonna keep doing this, okay?
Doing
You're
what?
not. You're not. You're not.
Well, Shirley, you gotta get
You
what
gotta
you can
go. You gotta go.
get. No.
You know what, dude? Please get the fuck out, man. Get the fuck out. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. God fucking damn, man. Get these fucking ignorant ass people the fuck out of here. Get out. I need you to get out. I need you to get out. I need you to get out.
I need
I need
you
you to get out. I need
to
you
leave.
to fucking get out. No. No.
Yeah.
Shirley,
No.
you understand what today is, right?
Dude,
You've been supplying with paperwork. I know
do
you don't want to leave.
understand that it's time for y'all to go?
But we're not going anywhere.
You guys are filthy, dirty, nasty ass people, and you don't give a f. Do you understand that?
I understand how you feel, and I
Get the
appreciate it.
f out.
But you're going to come
Get the
outside.
f out. God damn, I'm not your taste. I'm not your kind. I'm not the one. Get the f out.
Shirley, you gotta go.
You know what? No, you gotta go.
No.
I don't care how much you motherfucking soap your ass down. I don't give a f. Get the f out.
I don't know what that's got to do with anything.
Jesus Christ, man. Get the f on some motherfucking there.
Shirley, what do you need? A lot of this looks like trash.
Security and get my motherfucking money.
Well, that's not.
You know what? This is. You know what? You know what, dude?
What?
Dude, stay off my stuff.
Well, get it and let's go.
Oh my. Dude.
Grab your stuff and let's go.
No. You know what, dude?
Yes.
Miss Shirley, you got to get some clothes on. You have to leave.
No. You guys have to go, for real. I swear to God, you guys have to go.
We're not
I
going
swear,
anywhere.
dude, please get your stuff. Get your feet off my stuff.
Well, can you move it for
You
me?
know what? Please get the f off my stuff. Please. Get the f off my stuff.
Now, come on, let's go.
No.
Yes.
No.
You have to.
Dude.
It is time to
Dude,
leave.
please. Please, you gotta go. You gotta go, dude. You gotta go. This is all.
The officer spends the next several minutes trying to have a conversation through a locked door with someone who is not interested in having one. He is patient. He keeps his voice low. He gives her room to respond. She uses that room to tell everyone in the building exactly what she thinks of them. Here is the thing about eviction law that most people miss. By the time police show up to enforce an eviction, the legal process is already over. The court has already ruled. The writ has already been granted. The notice has already been served. Shirley saying she has not been evicted does not change the fact that a judge already said she has. Her disagreement with the outcome does not reopen the case. It just delays the inevitable and adds charges. The officer knows this. He keeps offering her the easiest version of what has to happen. She keeps refusing it.
What's the mental health history here? Do you have any idea?
I don't have any history on her.
Other than non-payment time ago.
Right.
And that's today, right now.
Yes.
God,
Today is your
I swear
eviction
to God,
day.
you're just like the motherfucking tenants. I swear to God.
Okay.
I swear to God. I swear to God. Dude, get these people out of here.
Shirley.
Dude, you gotta go.
No.
You gotta fucking go, dude. You gotta go. You gotta fucking go. I swear to God, man. Get these people out of here, dude. What the f, dude?
Everybody will leave when you grab your stuff and
You
leave.
gotta go.
No, I'm not going
No,
to.
give me my money and I'll, you know what I'm saying?
I don't have any money to give
Dude,
you.
y'all gotta go.
No.
Y'all gotta go. Y'all gotta
Shirley,
go.
we're not leaving until you leave.
Dude, you gotta go.
So we got a couple options here, okay?
No, there is, dude, are you serious?
I'm 100%
Are you fucking
serious.
serious? I swear to God, this is what I'm deal with. Are you fucking serious?
Shirley, you can either get up and leave or there's going to be multiple police officers in your room.
Dude,
How many of us do you want in here?
for what?
Because you have to leave.
For-
You've been
Why?
evicted. Because
Why?
you've been evicted.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you
No, I
have.
haven't. By who? The neighbors? The
Lord, the
community?
city of Akron.
Dude, please. The people? Who are the people?
That's why
Who
we're
are the
here.
people? The people that just did this shit to my motherfucking shit?
Your bag is fine.
Get the f out of here, man. I swear to God, dude. Get out.
No.
Y'all gotta go. Give me my f***ing money. I'll call it down and get the f out.
Or we can just walk out now.
No, I'm not walking with you guys for what? You guys are shit.
It's
Oh my
time to go.
God! Stop
Let's
doing
go.
that.
It's time to go. Come on.
Hey,
Excuse me, nothing. It's time to go. Are you going to get up and
Shirley,
leave?
you're either going to leave in handcuffs or you're going to leave on your own.
I'm gonna leave on my own.
Okay, get up.
Right now, it's time to grab
Okay.
your stuff and go.
Get up. Let's go.
Okay,
No, there's no look. Get up now or you're getting put in handcuffs.
let me go.
Get up then. Let's go.
Okay, let me put my stuff. Yeah,
We're not
let me
playing
go.
these
We're not
games
doing that.
anymore.
It's time to leave.
Get your phone. Let's go.
Grab your phone, grab your charger, and you're heading out of here. And if you say no one more time, or if you don't do this right now, you're going to go to the Summit County Jail.
Let's go now.
All right, man. Let me get my stuff.
Get up. Let's go. Grab your phone. Stand up. Let's go.
Shirley, is there anything I can do elsewise to make this go faster?
No, call me a
Put your hands
cab.
behind your back. We're going to handle it this way, okay? Now, I'm going to ask you one time to help yourself stand up. Okay? We're done playing games. You got your pants pulled up? You want to hand her out? I'm going to grab her phone so she has her phone. Let's go. Shirley, the other person here.
She's got her walls.
What do you have? No. 'Cause what do you have
Here,
shoved in
let's
here?
get her outside. Shirley, I was the nice one. I gave you multiple chances. Why'd you make this more difficult than it needed to be?
Difficult. I'm dealing with the same people I've been dealing with ever since I've been born.
Criminal trespass with obstructing official business, right?
Right, but
You guys are not going to give me no money, so I mean,
why would we give you money? You've been evicted.
You guys have been robbing me for a long time, dude.
Well, the court's evicted you. You have to leave.
Go ahead and hold.
Y'all have been evicted.
On a misdemeanor.
Y'all.
Trespassing, misdemeanor, obstructing official business.
Okay, I'm left.
Are you serious?
Thanks. Let's go. Okay.
Start here. Good with obstructing and criminal trespass.
Fantastic.
We got time to clean these people.
I gave her every chance.
Eventually, patience runs out, and the officer gives Shirley a clear choice. Leave on your own or leave in handcuffs. She says she will leave on her own, then she does not move. That is the moment the handcuffs become mandatory. Under criminal trespass law, she is now knowingly remaining on property after being lawfully asked to leave by the property manager and ordered to leave by a law enforcement officer executing a valid court order. That is not a gray area. That is the definition of criminal trespass. The obstruction charge comes from what happens next. She does not fight, but she does not cooperate either. She goes slow. She argues. She demands money. She tells the officer to call her an expletive right before the handcuffs go on. Every minute of deliberate delay during a lawful arrest adds weight to that charge. The officer arrests her and says it plainly on the way out. I was the nice one. I gave you multiple chances. He was right on both counts. Shirley is charged with criminal trespass and obstruction, two charges that did not have to happen. The eviction was already done. The court had already spoken. All she had to do was pick up her phone and her charger and walk out the door. Instead, she spent an hour arguing with a process that was already finished. The law does not wait for you to agree with it. It just waits for you to comply. Nothing in this video is legal advice. We are not practicing attorneys. Everything here is for education, awareness, and accountability. This is proof on record.